The house is platform. It's quite small though. Yeah, but as HHE goes, that's quite a small train. And they're quite beefy things. It's got 4 cars. It's a trading car. Yeah, I'm filming it. Yeah, class 43. 46 years. I looked to get this model, but it's £400 for this particular livery for this one. I'm looking to get a first grade Western one. I also want to point out, there's the horns, those black dots in the middle. Those grills in the front, they're the horns. The horns are the black grill at the front near the headlights.
How is that a horn?
The horns are inside that grill.
Oh.
They're built inside of the grill. They don't build on top.
Cooler air?
No, that's where they've been built since 43 years ago.
Those Britain?
Yeah.
Never knew that.
No, it says 46 years this year this train's been running.
I didn't know that.
Because I got all the history on books on all these things.
50 years in, is it?
No, it's 46. It's been around since the early 80s, but I just wonder whether the cross country is going to pop in. But this one hasn't changed yet. I'm waiting for this one to change. There could be swapping drivers as well. You do occasionally swap drivers at times. But you need a bulb on one side of the train because they got up some bulbs out. They do that model form as well to make it really realistic. They have a cab inside of it lit up, but the outside only for 2 at one end and then 2 at the other. Yeah, but they usually have 4 on each end of the units generally. Yeah, you can hear the engine starting to sort of calm itself before it starts revving. 24 horsepower. I took 24,000 horsepower for that sort of unit for 80 years. 24,000 horsepower engine. It looks like a GNER one at the back, like an old fashioned one. Yeah, but they used to change them. The power of this thing is only in model forms will be about 60. The maximum. I think they need to put it up a little bit on the train just because it's going to be, in real life it would have cost speed up to about 25, but I think they haven't done 80, but it's quicker like it will put it on time. I do like my Deagle days, but I also like my steam days with my electric. And you get more electric and more steam. Yeah. I get the alternatives in there, but not too many. Just want to do a big bundle of collections. Right, so yeah, I'm going to be finding bundled trains this year. Whole bundle, I'm not quite sure I'm getting HT showering, I might get it after Christmas. Run sport one or I mean, I'll try to get my brother's passport 7 and running again, so that way I'll what it tends to use. The Batman one doesn't stay around for too long. Yeah. I used to have a King class, I don't even remember that from 2016, but I did have a King class. It was in the photo moment, you can turn out to me. I had a King only the second, I think. I think it was that model. And I did have that model up and running back in 2016, but I have not had one in a long time. So I definitely need to get another King class. Maybe better go in the new store. Yeah. The idea of making my hair design can be based on steam, electric, diesels, third rail, A4, the A4 type electrics, like the two pentagraph types. And there's the Kings and the Battle of Britain's the whole classes. There's going to be loads of different trains. I'm going to be collecting second hand ones, but I'm going to be keeping them on brand new. If they can keep maintained over vehicle with a cheaper train, then I'm going to keep buying second hand stuff, and then I can fix them myself. Needed at certain points. I might have to edit some bits out this morning. The freight train is doing rather well, apart from the minor derailment coming from certain areas of the train. What I'm going to do is try. At least you know Sasha. I was getting on. Just because what we were getting on, but we're not. And they battled down all the brambles down there. Need to. So ways to chop all the brambles back. You need just a train running through your garden. You can knock all those brambles down. Here's they've got a ride on train set in my own garden. I'll send it up.